The songbird sings in the pale moonlight. Her wings of gold take endless flight. Through whispers soft she tells her tale, a melody born from a midnight gale. Her voice it weaves through the cool night air, a secret hymn without a care. Each note she drops, a crystal spark, illuminates the deepest dark. Oh songbird, sing your endless tune, chase the shadows and light the moon. Your melody flows through the trees, it rides the wind, it bends the seas. She soars above where stars ignite, her music paints the velvet night. No chains can bind, no cage can hold, a voice so free, so pure, so bold. The forest hums her sweet refrain, each leaf it dances to her name. A choir of whispers joins her call, a symphony that enthralls a soul. Oh songbird, sing your endless tune, chase the shadows and light the moon. Your melody flows through the trees, it rides the wind, it bends the sea.